Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by signing into the Metal account that contains the clips you want to remove. Once signed in, verify the app version and platform, desktop app versus web, because options differ. Make sure you have a backup or are certain you want permanent deletion. First actionable step. Navigate to your clips or library section and filter by date or game to narrow results. If you see bulk select tools, use them now to accelerate the process. Now focus on selecting the clips to delete. Use bulk select checkboxes or hold shift and click range selections. This speeds things up when targeting batches. Once selected, click the delete or remove option. Read the confirmation prompt because some deletions are irreversible. If Metal offers a soft delete or trash folder, it will show. Use that if you might recover later. Make sure to wait for the server confirmation message before navigating away to avoid partial deletions. Finish by ensuring deletions are finalized. Empty the trash or confirm permanent removal if Metal separates soft and hard deletes. Once done, refresh your library and check a different device to confirm changes propagated across servers. If clips remain visible, clear app cache or reload the web session, then try the deletion steps again. If stubborn clips persist, gather clip ID, timestamps, and screenshots. Contact Metal support for account-level cleanup and explain the issue succinctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.